Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IMNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a few weeks worth of time right here, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And I don't want to say people were freaking out when they were, asking questions and such, but, as far as the chart's concerned, everything's perfectly fine. Now, there is a little bit of a kind of an asterisk by that. And what I mean by that is it depends. What does it depend on? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought, up around this area of the chart and you were hoping to sell within 9.7 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking pretty rough. But if you care about the big picture of things, especially if you saw yesterday's video, then hopefully you fully realize that, hey, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And again, from the big picture perspective, the grand scheme of things, that's what it's all about. Building higher bases, because that's what allows those higher stair steps to be built. And if you didn't watch my video yesterday, the key stair step, that I talked about is right here at 17 cents. And so far, so good. Sure, the price didn't really do anything today, in terms of, skyrocketing upwards or anything like that. But it maintained above this level and, heck, didn't even test the 17-cent area. And the reason that's so important is, let's just say, that history continues to repeat itself, meaning the price just continues to hover right around here before, finally starting to head back up. At that point in time, from, the overall perspective, what would you have? Well, you'd have a base right here. This previous base would be down there. And like I said in yesterday's video, if you, picture each one of these bases as stair steps, the stair steps are still progressing in the upwards direction. Again, I fully get it. If you bought somewhere up around here, you could care less about this stair step. But I'm not talking about the people that bought there and wanted to sell within 10 seconds. I'm talking about, the bigger picture perspective. And that's where 17 cents comes into play. And so far, so good. In regards to levels of resistance, I did talk about these ones up here just shy of 20 cents and then up here at 20.5 cents. But I want to throw one more in the mix, and that is just the famous pink line right there, which is the 200 period simple moving average. So yes, these ones are still the two key main levels of resistance. But before you talk about, doing battle with either of those, the first step is going to be the bulls needing to get back up above that 200 period simple moving average. So sure, today wasn't the most exciting day, but from a consolidation perspective, totally healthy. So we'll see what the bulls have in store for the next few days. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.